We present the new automatic folding machine for large format drawings from Gera. This machine is capable of folding your projects printed on A0 and A1 sheets into A4 format in just a few seconds. The machine combines a cutter useful for trimming copies when their dimensions do not correspond to the width of the paper roll, and a fully electric paper folding machine with unique functions. Align your copy with the printed guidelines on the cutter, and within seconds your copy is trimmed, ready for folding. The side profile of the cutter has been designed to facilitate the trimming of very long copies over 120 centimeters. The cutter is equipped with slides for lateral movement for easy access to the folder. Observe the crank system to raise or lower the cutter, and the table for introducing the copy, adapting to the height of any operator. Folding machine with large color touch screen with 3 most commonly used standard programs. The Gera innovation offers the operator the possibility of modifying the size of the first fold from 140 to 420 mm, to change the size of the binding edge from 0 to 50 mm, and finally to change the size of the second fold, which reduces the width of the sheet from 265 mm equal to 11 inches to 305 mm 12. Another notable feature is the fold quality within 1/10 of a millimeter, which allows the production of well-aligned, pressed and precise folds, all this thanks to our long experience in designing these folding machines, today offering maintenance-free folders. These characteristics are due to precision mechanics and very high-quality components, which have always distinguished all Gera drawing folding machines, which has been designing, building, selling and assisting all over the world including NASA for over 55 years. Premium features such as ability to fold very long sheets, useful for plant engineering, telephony, energy and transportation companies. The machine folds with an adjustable speed, from 12 to 22 meters per minute, to facilitate even the less experienced operator in introducing the copy. There are many other unique features of our bending machines. Fill out the form at the bottom of the page, and write to us now to obtain information and prices. By purchasing directly from us, you will avoid paying for 2 shipments and paying for a technician to assemble the folder, as our folder arrives fully assembled, and you will always have qualified assistance in your language remotely from the Gera Assistance Service. Thank you. See you soon.